What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the top 8 trending haircuts for men in 2025. These are the haircuts that are so hot right now that you have probably seen it somewhere when you are doing your errands or at the workplace. I've done my research over the past few months from scrolling through social media, and this is the list that I came up with, so please don't kill the messenger. Whether you have straight, wavy, curly or kinky hair, there's a style here for you. So let's get into it. Number 1, let's start with a classic, the slick back or flow haircut. The trendiest and I think the most popular cut right now. This one is perfect for guys who want that effortless pushback look with a natural flow. It works well with medium to long length hair and suits men who have naturally straight or wavy hair. The key here is using a lightweight styling cream or pomade to keep it slick but not greasy. The style is great for professionals who want to keep their look refined but not too stiff. To maintain it, regular trims are essential, but you don't need to worry about too much daily styling. Just brush it back and you're good to go. Next up, we have the quiff textured haircut. This one takes inspiration from a classic quiff but adds a modern, messy touch. It's ideal for men with thick, voluminous hair, particularly guys with natural, straight, or wavy textures. The textured layers add dimension, making it perfect for both casual and formal settings. Achieving the perfect textured quiff requires a good blow dry and the right styling products. Use a volumizing mousse or spray to add lift at the roots and a matte clay or paste to create texture and hold. Once again, this style is great for adding height and dimension to your face. At number 3, we have the modern mullet. Yes, you heard that right. The mullet is making a comeback, but with a modern twist. This version is more refined with shorter sides and a longer textured back. This style is often seen in men with a rebellious or edgy style. It can be adapted to various hair types including straight, wavy, and even curly. This trend has been seen in various subcultures and is not limited to one ethnicity. It's a style that screams confidence. You can rock it with a taper fade on the sides for a clean contrast. Use some curl enhancing cream with texturizing spray to keep it looking fresh. Fourth on our list is the middle part. If you're into K-pop or 90s fashion, the middle part is the way to go. This style has seen a resurgence in recent years, offering a clean and sophisticated look. It involves parting the hair down the middle and styling it to frame the face. This style works well with a medium to long hair and can be adapted to various hair textures. This style can be seen with many different ethnicities and is a very classic style. To maintain the middle part, use a lightweight styling mousse to keep the hair in place without making it stiff. This style works well on medium length hair and is super versatile for both casual and formal settings. And as for my curly hair guys, the curly afro is one of the best styles in 2025. This cut embraces natural volume and texture, making it an excellent choice for black men and more men with tightly coiled hair. The shape can be rounded or slightly tapered for a cleaner look. Maintaining a healthy afro requires regular moisturizing and conditioning. Use products specifically for curly hair to prevent dryness and breakage. A pick or wide tooth comb is essential for detangling and styling. This style is all about embracing natural beauty. 6, we have the blowout taper. This style combines a taper fade with a voluminous blowout on top. The sides are tapered short while the top is styled upwards and outwards to create a full rounded shape. This style is popular among men with thick hair and can be adapted to various hair textures. Styling requires a good blow dry technique and a strong hold, mousse, or pomade. The fade keeps it sharp while the volume up top adds that modern flair. As for my long hair guys, don't worry, I got you guys covered. The modern man bun is still in. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike the messy man buns of the past, this version is clean, polished, and structured. It works best for guys with straight or wavy hair, which more than likely straight hair. To style a modern man bun, use a hair tie or elastic to secure the hair. A lightweight styling cream or serum can help control the flyaways and add shine. This style is great for showcasing long hair while keeping it out of the face. And for the last one, for number 8, we have the curly fringe. This style embraces natural curls and textures, offering a playful and youthful look. It involves growing the hair out to a medium length and styling the curls into a fringe that frames the forehead. This style is popular among men with natural curly hair. To style a curly fringe, use a curl defining cream or gel to enhance the natural texture. Avoid heavy products that can weigh the curls down. Regular trims are essential to maintain the shape and prevent the fringe from looking too long. And as usual, we have a bonus trending haircuts for this 2025. We have the classic buzz cut. This classic style is always in styles, offering a clean and low maintenance look. It involves shaving the hair close to the scalp, creating a uniform length all over. This style is popular among men with various hair types and texture. I mean, you've pretty much seen this across different ethnicity, and it just works well with their face. However, maintaining a buzz cut requires regular trims to keep the length consistent. So, if you don't like to go to the barber every week or 2 weeks, then avoid this haircut. Well, that's the top 8 trending haircuts for men in 2025. Remember, choose a style that suits your hair type, face shape, and personal style. Let me know in the comment section below which one you are currently rocking now or which one you will try. Comment below and let me know, and as always, stay safe, stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.